All right, we got these really nice Frienda 3 pieces hard glass cases right here. So it comes in 3. You can get them in 3 different colors, or you can get them all the same. I got the blue ones right here. So I really like the colors. That's the way it looks at that spot right there. Opens, and I got my sunglasses in there right now. So as you can see, perfect for eyeglasses and sunglasses. That's the way it looks on the inside. It's sort of like I don't want to say like a fur. It's sort of a furryish vibe on the inside. Not really furryish, but like I guess that's a nice descriptive word. Leathery sort of looking and sort of a feel on the outside, but it's hard. So it keeps your glasses and your sunglasses nice and protected. The way it opens, shuts like so. It also, each of these comes with one of these inside. I'll just take it out actually, just to give you the full vibe. Let's see if I can get this out. There we go, getting it out. Comes with a nice little cloth to keep your glasses and your sunglasses nice and clean. So you get 3 of those. The dimensions of the case are 6.3 by 2.4 by 1.5 inches. So these are perfect for your glasses and your sunglasses. You got to keep them nice and protected. Highly recommend to you.